Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shubhangi and I post videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, shopping haul videos and much more content. And I post videos twice a week, so stay updated for that. And to stay updated, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon besides it. So today's video is gonna be a haul video. So it's gonna be a Myntra haul video, and as you know that Myntra EORS sale just got over and I ordered a few items from there. Some are like really good, but some items are like I really regret buying them. So yeah, so the first top that I got is this one. This is a tank top. This is in dark green color and this is from the brand Tokyo Talkies and I'm the size small for this. The original MRP is 649 rupees, but I got this for around between 200 to 250 and it is like super affordable and it looks so great. I'll insert my try on video, and I like the material is rib material. You can see this. It's not at all see-through and it's really soft and completely body hugging, and I just love this fit and I recommend this to you guys. Please get it for yourself. So another top that I got is again from Tokyo Talkies. This is a camisole top. This is actually really cropped in length and I'm in the size small for this. And this has also got the same material as the tank top. It is a rib material, very fine rib material if you can see. And it like you can style so many outfits from this top. I'll be soon posting a styling video on my Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram if you are not following me already. I'll be linking my Instagram handle in the description box below. So it is really cropped in length, but it is also super soft and gives a great fit. So if you are comfortable wearing crop top, you should definitely get this for yourself. This is like a staple item. You should definitely have camisoles in your closet. Another one, I got this really cute t-shirt from this brand called Dressberry. This is so cute. You can see the detail in the pocket. It seems like a tiger is coming out from it and it looks so cute. I'm again the size small. Actually all the items that I got are in the size small, and this is not at all cropped. It comes below your waist, and this is a bit loose fit. I like my t-shirts to be loose fit, so yeah, I got this. And this is not a pure cottony material. I thought it would be very soft cottony material. It's not that, but it's not actually very uncomfortable. Like you can easily wear it in summers also. And yeah, I just love this purchase. I got another t-shirt from this brand Dressberry, and this is in this navy blue color and it has got this detailing. There's written more self-love. This is also in the same material as that red one. This is not at all cottony, and if you touch it, you'll feel it is very synthetic and all, but when you wear it, it is very comfortable. So you should definitely get it if you are if you love wearing t-shirts and like for casual outfits. This t-shirt is just great and it is so comfy. I'm definitely gonna wear this all day long, and this also comes below your waist, so this is not at all cropped. It has got this round neckline and it looks so good, guys. I'm definitely gonna inserting my try on. You can see in that it is just great. So one purchase that I totally regret buying, this is my experience from a brand called Moda Rapido. I actually ordered a top for the first time from this brand and I actually regret it a lot. I'll insert a picture. See this. This was the kind of top that I was able to see on my screen while I was purchasing, and I was like, this is so cute. The color is so pretty and I should definitely get it for myself. And when I received it, like, I'm so disappointed, guys. The material is so thin. It is extremely thin. It is a bit, I would not say it is see-through, but it is so thin. I just don't like it at all. Its original MRP is 17.99. I don't know how, and in the sale I got this still for around 670 rupees, and I don't think so that it is at all worth buying. I will never recommend this to you guys. Please do not buy this. I just regret buying this. I don't know what this is. I just don't like it. So another thing that I got for my mom is kurta, again from Moda Rapido, but this is pretty good, and this is in this parrot green color, and this is really beautiful. This is a A-line kurta. I ordered a size large in this. I ordered medium size in this, but I'll have to exchange this for large. But actually it gives a, like, the material is really good. It is a bit thin, but it is not see-through, and yeah, the look that comes out is really good. And if you want, you can buy. I'm not really like you should definitely get it for yourselves, but yeah, it is a good kurta and for a good price. It was for around between 300 to 400 rupees. So yeah, I'll mention the price here on the screen. And so yeah, for that price it is pretty good, and yeah, I like this kurta. So yeah, and the last thing that I got is like a very cute and very good purchase. I just personally love this. So I got the sling bag. You can see this. I got the sling bag from Myntra. So this is from the brand Anu by Myntra. It's some brand by Myntra only, and this is so cute. I just love this purchase. Oh my god, and it was super affordable. Like in the sale I got it for a really good price. It has got this long strap with adjustable belt. You can adjust it according to what length you want to wear it in, and it's got this cute tassel and parrot detailing. You can see this. This is so cute. The original MRP mentioned is 800, but again I got it for around 300 to 400. I don't remember. I'll be mentioning the price here. It just looks so beautiful, guys. I recommend this to you, and it is actually pretty spacious. The zip actually starts from here and ends here. So yeah, this is the amount of space you get. There are two areas where you can keep your stuff, and in the middle there is a small zip pocket that you get, and this is like super spacious if you are going anywhere, you are wearing any ethnic wear especially, or you are just running for errands and anything. So you can like take this, and you can, the basic items like your mobile, your charger, your wallet and all, it will easily come inside this. And this is really cute, and you should definitely get this for yourself. I'll be linking all the product links in the description box below, so do not forget to check them out. And yeah, this was my last purchase from Myntra. So yeah guys, that's it all for today. I'll be also mentioning my size chart below, so as if you are of my size, you can definitely get these products, because all these products give a really good fit except this lavender top. And yeah, that's it all for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also one request, please let me know in the comment section below which top did you like the most, and please do not forget to give me your suggestions, because they really help me a lot to grow. Like, I get to know what are my mistakes and what you all want to see more. So guys, please do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, bye bye guys, see you in my next video.